Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbert. From here, just click on Text Correction. Scroll down and select this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is definitely off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on this name, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!